arrive at Cabourg. So,
Umpisa na yan.
we're looking a place to
Just the three of us.
eat.
Just the three of us.
We're looking for a place to have our breakfast first bago kami magpunta sa beach. Let's go!
Lalakad na kami ng magandang restaurant. Kainan namin for lunch.
Yeah, see you later! We're at the seaside. Where is the seaside? Ladies. There. Yeah, medyo malayo pa yung dagat kasi maaga pa. So, maya-maya pa kami maliligo. Ayan, nandyan na yung haring araw.
Finally, guys. May araw din. Sana ganito lang, okay na. Perfect.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ganda. Bili tayo ng souvenir na peso. Ayun, maganda. Maybe, ano. May souvenir na peso. Diba? Sila. Ayun, ganda, oh.
Jude. Souvenir shop.
Souvenir shop, guys. Parang ang ganda. We are now in Normandy, Cabo.
Yeah, and this is the souvenir shop.
We are looking around there.
Okay.
Premier spectacle. Aujourd'hui à 18h, l'événement, le spectacle. Il est monté, il est installé à Cabourg.
Lekok.
Lekok din.
Two kinds of bread here in Cabourg.
Naka-vlogger siya. Gusto mo yung ano? Gusto mo yung ang ganda ng camera mo? Oh, gamitin mo. Ito. Okay lang.
At last, we are here at the beach. Very good.
Finally,
The
relaxing.
beautiful ladies are here introducing.
Introducing.
And of course, we have another recruit, a new recruit one.
Yeah.
Introducing Maricar.
My car.
Welcome to my vlog.
Vlog ko ba?
Yeah.
Ano ba vlog ko nga?
Yeah, it's not a joke. It's
Kala
true.
ko nag-vlog. Kaya kami nag-travel.
Super init, guys. Nandito lang kami sa gilid-gilid.
But so far the weather is good. It's not so hot, but the sun is out.
Natatakot mangitim,
Later,
tatago
guys,
sa
watch
araw.
out for our swimming.
Yan, takot sa ano, alam mo yung nagpunta ng beach pero nagtago sa gilid kasi takot sa araw.
Mamaya pa magsiswimming. Ako After lunch. Hindi na kapalit.
Waiting lang kami kasi kailangan namin mag-lunch muna. And after, maliligo na kami. Pero masarap na maligo, mainit na. Pakita natin yung paligid. Okay?
Sarap magsuot. Magpalit ng magpalit. Baka mas gusto niya siyang kumuha ng picture kasi nga.
Nasa ano na, nasa phone na niya.
Oo. Hindi rin. Naka-automatic ng tinta niya. Oo. Maganda siya lalo.
Sino?
Alam ko yung dalawa.
We're still here.
Still exploring, enjoying the view and the nice weather.
Tapos na kaming maligo.
Yeah.
So, just exploring the place. Kung anong meron pa. Aside from the dagat.
Very nice.
Cheers!
That's look. Even the houses are so very big.
Beautiful house.
So nice. We're vlogging.
Balik ng Normandy ay doon lang tayo. Isang we're inside the, ano to? Div.
Deep.
Dip.
Deep pa.
Dib.
Deep ba ng laban? Wala tayong
We're
laban.
inside the div.
DIPP eh. Deep?
Ha?
Deep o deep? DIPP yan. Deep. At least,
Let's go.
at least we explore this area.
Yeah, it's another community.
Yes. Nice one. Ang ganda na tahimik na.
Yeah.
At least maraming taong nakikita, no? Pero bakit maraming
Yeah.
Local here. Local.